You guys bored yet? I'm gonna start building out the jaw, I think. The cheek right here. Nice round cheek on that guy. And again, I've kind of got to match what I had going on this side. We want symmetry. Okay, a little bit more curvature in the bottom. It's always funny, just the whole visual thing. It took me many years to understand that not everybody does think how I do. Again, people who know me well, no surprise. But yeah, I really spent most of my life assuming everybody was visual. It just seems like the most natural thing in the world to me. All the math people were the weirdos, you know. Visual is normal. Oh. See how that goes. Okay. Get over on the proper side here. Something's fishy, yeah. I am going to do this bridge of the nose separately. I already messed it up once. The cheek I'm liking. I just don't like this part right here. I need to just build that separately. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them. All right. Okay. So that's the right positioning. That direction. Okay. And all right. All right. Gonna do a tack here. I'm probably gonna have to wind up adjusting this one a little bit. This is the hardest part. It's like when you got some weird little angle you're trying to hold on to. Needs to be just right. Can't have people's deer's heads coming out all funny shaped, can we? No, we cannot. All right. Dang. All right. And at the last second, I decide this angle is not quite right. Hey, just, it's got to be right. What can I say? Sorry it's taken 100 years. Okay. Quit moving. All right. Now, let's see. How did I do? Close. Very close. Just a little bit of finessing here. All right. Let's check it out. Give it the hand test. Okay. It's this. It's shifted. I need it to be more down here. I love vice grips. All right. Okay. Ugh. Yes. All right. Now what have we got here? Oh. Okay. Ooh. I think it's good. Oh, that tack is almost letting go. I really torqued it. But If it stays just in this position, it'll be perfect. Okay. Let's see if I can get this. All right, there's a little curvature back here under the jawbone I want to get. Just where this comes out. There'll be like a little piece of skin here that just curves out to the jawbone. I want to get just right. Okay, so that will be like that. Tiny bit too much on the bending. This is really going to sound weird, but when the animal's moving a certain way, I like to think of how it's going to be even breathing in and out. And I don't know. This guy's just about to make a huge jump. So I picture him just totally inhaling. That's probably going to affect how all this is, you know? If it's getting sucked in or what's happening there. It's part of that whole thing of making sure it doesn't come out looking like some kind of a robot deer, but a living thing. There we go. There. Okay. Get this little bridge of his nose going here. This. Okay. So you can see what I'm having to do here. If I would have been more careful, I could have started with a piece the right length and had it be all one piece, but oh well, it'll be fine. We'll just give him a nosectomy here. Okay, try to get this welded before the heat crawls all the way up to the end here. Whoa, hot. Okay. Well, shoot, it's too hot now. Pliers. Okay. I'm gonna get the nose part right. See? You want all that to be creating a smooth surface when you're done with the frame and you're gonna put the skin on. So you gotta make sure all your angles are uniform. Oh. Okay. Start with the tack. Okay, that's on there. Now, yep, that's going to be just right. It's kind of hard to hold. Let's see. This is where you have to improvise stuff here. Let's see. How am I going to do this? think about this here. Will this work? That'll help. Not quite. But maybe leverage, people. Check out the leverage. All right. Oh, that's perfect. Nothing move. Okay. You guys probably can't see this, but there's empty space there in between. Perversely, this is one of my favorite kind of welds to do. Filling a gap. Its gap be gone. It's tack magic. This makes me feel like speaking the fake French. Yes, I'm the world's biggest welding dork.